We've got it.
Hello, stock friends, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Monday, January 8th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, stocks closed lower across the board as reduced expectations of a Fed rate cut anytime soon and revived worries about corporate profit growth overshadowed surprisingly strong jobs growth. A burgeoning sense that the market is ripe for a pullback of some sort also contributed to a day of broad-based consolidation. The biggest news item of the day was in fact the closely watched employment report, given its influence on the market's outlook for the economy and Fed policy. At 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, the Labor Department showed that non-farm payrolls unexpectedly rose 167,000 in December, and the unemployment rate held steady at still historically low rate of 4.5%. In our small cap headlines today, WorldStar Energy Corporation announced that it is in negotiations to acquire controlling interest in several companies which hold mineral exploration licenses in East Asia. If negotiations are successful, the acquisition, including related financing transactions, would involve the issuance of approximately 50 million common shares with a deemed value of 25 cents each. A minority portion of the shares may have registration rights attached. Previously at 51 cents, WorldStar ended their week up a whopping 158% to $1.32 a share, with better than 35,000 shares traded. WorldSource Incorporated, a developer and distributor of products for the consumer marketplace, announced that it has acquired Tubert International, a contract manufacturer based in Los Angeles, California. Tubert International is dedicated to the overseas manufacturing of various industrial and consumer goods. Headquartered in Los Angeles, it has production offices in Hong Kong and import-export manufacturing facilities in Ningbo, Wuhan, Shanghai, and China. Feel free to correct me on my pronunciations later. Previously at 0.3 cents, WorldSource opens their trading day up 100% with over 184,000 shares traded by Friday's close. Penn Laurel Financial Corporation, the holding company for CSB Bank and Northwest Bank Corp. Incorporated, the holding company for Northwest Savings Bank, announced jointly today that they have entered into a definitive agreement whereby Northwest Bank Corp. Incorporated and Northwest Savings Bank would acquire Penn Laurel and CSB Bank. The agreement provides that the shareholders of Penn Laurel will receive $31 in cash for each of their shares. Holders of options will receive in cash the difference between $31 and the exercise price. The total value of the transaction is $32.7 million. The transaction is expected to be completed in the second calendar quarter of 2007 and is subject to the approval of the shareholders. And that's it for the newsmakers. Be sure to join us every market day for the latest commentary on everything from small cap to large cap and that in between. Brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Also, be sure to watch for the Quality Stocks daily newsletter, available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a